front of me is Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this smartphone. Start by opening one of your apps and clicking on this button with 3 lines. Now tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select floating window. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window over here. In order to move it around, hold this line and drag it. If you wish to make it small, you can do that by clicking on Home button. In order to turn it into a bubble, just swipe it to the side. If you wish to access it, just click on it. If you wish to use it to overlay other apps, just access the other one, like Settings, and operate in both of them. If you wish to close your app, you can do that by clicking on this X icon at the top right corner, or simply closing it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!